does it say my broadcast for? No. What's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. If you're new, hello, welcome. We are inside gapping on most stocks, so, well, we're not on Nike actually, so I'm watching Nike as well, but on screen right now is Tesla, if you couldn't tell already. Yeah, as stated, we are inside gapping, so that what I mean by that is, for example, Friday's trading range is here. We are still within that trading range, so in my opinion, I've got no edge to trade this market. You know, in my opinion as well, we might just chop around all day. So yeah, it's not really like my sort of setup. But then again, seeing some nice movement out of open, so possibly a nice bullish trade. And also we're heading into this resistance, so I'm just waiting for a first pullback to happen, and then I might get in long. SPY's also gapped down, but we are seeing some nice relative strength out the open as well. So yeah, it's not really too much going on except from that. I just hope that Tesla isn't just a chop day, because, you know, if it is, then that's one trade. Let's change this to the daily. We are now above the 50 EMA on the daily as well. That's also something to comment on. It's looking good, can't lie. If we can get above this gap, let's just mark this level here, because it looks like that's just such a major resistance. If we can get above this red line, I mean, volume is coming in, but if we get above this 197, possibly look for 200. I'll alert on Discord as well as here. I might, you know, if I was to enter a trade, I'll do something like this. That one you saw at the start was the false trade. It was just like I wasn't in it. I was just speculating, you know. Alright, we're through this 197. Let's see if we can get a nice little pullback and possibly enter up on this trade, or we might see rejection. Straight away, big old rejection. That is what you want to see. Alright, let's change this music to something a little bit more chilled out. I'm not gonna lie, I've got like an addiction with lo-fi. or lo-fi music. It's just so easy to listen to. I don't know if it's just me, but it's just so chill. Just tell me if it's like a little bit too loud or whatever. It shouldn't be though. Should be cool. So far a bit of rejection. I am watching the 5-minute time frame on the left, 15-minute on the top right, and daily on the bottom. I've got Nike. I was looking to short Nike, but it's now, I mean, it's now below the demand, but it's not even looking, I don't know. I mean, it looks alright, I don't know. It's not really a main watch today, anyways. It's not really that, hasn't really got that much volume, to be honest. Like, the candlestick's very scattered, they're very, it's not very, God, I can't think of the word for it. I know the word in my head, but I can't think of it. It's not very volatile. That's it. It's not very volatile. Like Tesla, very volatile. You know, a lot of volume. Nike, not so much. But the chart is setting up. Maybe a possible swing trade. Could alert that sometime. Maybe, I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Still watching Tesla here. Got 4 seconds left. Sorry, on this candle. Then looking for a bearish candle to come in. Could get a cheeky 3-bar play. If we pull back, if we just go straight through, I'm not going to be chasing this stock for a little bit of dollar. I'm just not really that fast. Still an inside gap, as I've said, so it's not like my preferred edge. I'd rather do something. I mean, enter something. You know, which I know has a good chance of setting up and actually hitting a profit target. So I'm just gonna stream for probably 25 minutes, half an hour, 25 minutes. If I don't enter a trade by 3, so yeah, in 25 minutes I will just end the stream, guys. So you know, my apologies, but it's just not my setups to trade. But yeah, I'm still watching Tesla for a bullish setup as we are approaching this resistance. I mean, don't get me wrong, we could also look for a bearish setup here with a stop loss above the resistance, but we'll just see how the 1 min goes and, you know, see how this stock does. Because it is the massive supply. This 197 level, it's huge. Like, I don't really want to be getting chopped around on the first day of the week. I'm sure you'll understand. Like, I likely won't even buy this retest, or pull back even. Like, I really just want to see this 197 clear before I even enter a trade. It's just personal preference. I just don't want to be chopped around all day, waiting for this thing to set up and then, you know, end up actually losing on the trade, you know. For instance, I don't want to see something like, you know, I enter here, oh, turn off the magnet. I enter here, and then the stock just goes zoop, 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 zoop. It's all day long. I just don't want that. It's not a bit of me. I'd rather see this level get cleared, you know, and maybe consolidate above here, and then we can, you know, press higher and look for this $200 level. But other than that, I'm not really looking to trade. So far, rejection on the 1. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is bull flagging, sorry. Holding VWAP right now as well, another bullish indicator. But yeah, until we're above 197, I am not looking to enter the trade. I just pray for not a chop day. I just really don't want to. I really don't want that. It's a waste of time. Spider's looking. I mean, Spider wants to pull back, so I wouldn't blame Tesla for pulling back either. So far, SPY's just literally rejected the recent consolidation around 410. So, I mean, below that, we can basically see 105 and below, really. Unless it just wants to chop around all day. I don't know. Alright, Tesla deep pullback, holding the 50 EMA on the 1 minute. Not an ideal entry for me. So far gapped up. I don't know, this looks really bearish to me, guys. Why is my mouse just froze? It just doesn't look too good. So, if I was trading, I would definitely enter on this bearish candle. As it is my setup, a bearish candle closing above the 10 EMA, which is the top blue line you see on the 5-minute chart. So yeah, I would enter this out bullish and target 200. But considering we haven't crossed 197 yet, and we've just seen massive rejection on the 1 minute time frame, it's just not really a bit of me. SPY, I mean, SPY is... I don't know, it's hard to say what SPY is doing right now. We are holding 410, don't get me wrong. Also holding VWAP. I mean, if we can crack high day on SPY, then you know, that'll be quite bullish, but other than that, I'm not interested. I'm sure you guys hear advice like all the time on trading, like how you know, you gotta wait for your setups and risk manage and stay disciplined and everything else, but it honestly is just crucial. I might be just waffling, to be fair, but it is just it's probably not the #1 thing in trading, that's being disciplined. It just all comes down to just waiting for your setups. If you can't wait, then you know, you're just gonna lose money. You just got to think about keeping your capital, keeping your gains secured, or your losses from expanding, I mean. So yeah, as stated, I would have gone long on Tesla if I was trading this and if it wasn't an inside day. So setup would have been like this, enter here. Obviously, that's our first sign of strength have open, stop loss here. Target would be here, so we're looking at 2.89%. 2.9 I'll trade if I was to buy this, but you know, I'm really not interested on this thing. Not yet anyways. If we clear 197, I'll definitely enter long, but other than that, I'm fine. Let's shrink this up a little bit, don't really need to watch that bit. I think that's a lot cleaner. Nike actually pushing lower, so yeah, would have been a short for sure, but yeah, I'm not used to trading the stock. I just made the idea because it looked good. So if you're in this, then you know, well done. It has hit. One of my targets so far, next target is 124.40. We're currently at 124.80. SPY now below 410. If it doesn't hold this, then obviously we can start shorting the other stocks, specifically Tesla. This could be a nice retest to go short on Tesla on the 1 minute, but again, not interested, not my setup. Mr. Patience Day. If I go silent, I am still here. It's just, you know, I don't want to bore you guys with constant waffle of just random stock market stuff, you know. If you got any questions or anything you want to spread some stoof, then comment in the chat. Alright, Tesla looking good here, I can't lie. 1 minute's definitely setting up. Got a kind of pennant going on. If we can get over 197, I will definitely look to go long. Okay, here we go. Still rejecting. Damn. Yeah, if we see, I mean, if we see this candle break, then I'll definitely look to short. Always got to think who is trapped in this trade though, because obviously last 2 days we've just seen consolidation. Every time we've got up inside this area, we've just consolidated and chopped around. So just being in this area is obviously more bullish than bearish, as we are hitting it once again. Just means that the supply is weak, because if it was a strong supply, we would likely to see like just one downfall, and then for the market to just carry on tanking to the downside, sorry. But you know, we have seen multiple tests, so quite frankly, could be a little ascending triangle like this without making my chart so messy. Yeah, I don't know. Who knows? We're just waiting right now. Mega rejection on the 1 minute right here. That is disgusting, to be honest. I'm going to leave this green square up, just so I know for reference. If we chop below, I'll likely short. If we stay inside, I am going to be looking for a long. So yeah. Let's see how this candle goes. Oh, look at that 1 minute. That is disgusting. Let's turn this down green a little bit. More pale. That volume on the 1 minute is crazy. If we consolidate, I could look to go long. After a 1 minute really, or like a very bearish candle in the 1 minute, I do like to see price keep falling. So far we are consolidating, or at least pulling back from the candle. So there are some buyers found down there. These are the fib levels for it, which I like using. So 195. Let's say if we get above 195, I will look to go long. Currently have 13 seconds left on this candle. Not my setup yet, but maybe, possibly in the next 5 minutes we could get a setup. Not too sure, but who knows. Yeah, continue rejection so far. This is the setup what I want to see, really. You know, stop loss at the low. Target up here. Obviously going for the breakout trade. We're going for a counter trend trade. Sorry. Counter trend. I mean, we're going for a trend trade, so we can target 2 hours on this one. So far, buyers stepping up. We are looking nice, I'd like to say. So let's type in the digits and have a look how many shares we need to be taking. Okay. I'll only enter if we hold 195. If we just see rejection again, I'll just leave it. But until then, who knows? So choppy, this market just is difficult to address what way the market actually wants to go. SPY is currently, I mean, it's pushing for higher day. We'll just see what it wants to do, obviously. Tesla looking good, can't lie. Another 2 minutes or 3 minutes even left on this candlestick. If we can get above 195, I will look to go bullish. It really is a 50-50 shot if you are trading right now on Tesla. We've not taken out the low or the high of this massive bull candle since open. So yeah, I mean, we have just seen rejection after rejection on the seller side from, let's have a look if we can highlight these. So just look at these 2 candles right here. They're just pure rejection candles. And also look at these opens as well. Can I find a... Here we go. Like, look at how the price has opened there. You can't even see that one. They're the exact same price as well. It's just like closed, massive order come through. Candlestick closed on the bullish side, massive sell order. It's just so bearish right now for the supply. If we can get above 195.75, then could look to go bullish. Again, above 195 could look to go bullish, but it just looks so rough right now. It's just 50-50 on what way the market really wants to go. That is a nice candle so far. I've just entered long on Tesla for the breakout over 197. My entry price is 195.51. Stop loss is at 192.78, and I'm looking for 197.08 break, 198.55, and 199.00, and then just do 200 plus. So yeah, that's the trade right now. Obviously looking to go above. I hope we don't reject. I'm already going to tighten up my stop, to be fair. It's just if we break my, or at least this bull candle here with super high volume as well, it is just bearish to me. I'm just like, nah, this trade obviously isn't going to work out. This is probably going to be this is probably going to be the only trade of today as well, to be honest. Rejection so far, again. I don't know. Let's wait and see. Wait and see. We just keep rejecting off of here. I'll put the wrong one on. If we can get above here, super bullish. Most bullish thing in the world. Maybe something like this, blah 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 blah. That'd be nice to see. But yeah, taking Tesla long. Entries okay. Probably got a little bit impatient with entering this one, but yeah, I mean it looks good. We've got a massive bull candle coming in, overtaking this previous bear candle, which had very high volume. Yeah, we haven't. I mean, yeah, we have obviously rejected this supplier, but you know, we are getting tighter. 1 minute looks good as well. We are just going to take this off, actually, move this closer so we can see the 1 minute a little bit more. So yeah, there we go. This is trade. Let's see if we can get above 197.08 here. SPY still holding 410, so it is bullish on that side as well, gotta say. Let's take off some of these lines because it looks so messy. I'm going to keep these fibs on because obviously if it breaks these fibs, these red fib levels, it's obviously quite bearish, obviously. These are just from that massive 1 minute candle. Just the fibs from the high to the low of this. I've been back testing this a little bit, and it does usually work as support or resistance. You know, if we overtake them, which we have here, we do usually carry on going up because we are obviously trapping anyone who started selling because of this candle. So yeah, because obviously, let's be honest, if you're watching the 1 minute and you're not like a knowledgeable short, you are just going to short after this because you're going to be like, right, that is the most bearish candle I've seen in ages. I want some of this good stuff. I want to get in short, and then that is obviously the rookies we're trapping now. So right now they're probably panicking. They're probably thinking, "Fuck, we're nearly going to close above this massive bearish candle. I've got to start selling and, you know, covering my options, or, you know, whatever they're doing." But yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong. This could be like a massive false move to get bull strapped, but yeah, we'll just see. We're still just chopping around, so it's just a 50-50 trade, really. Yeah, it's just not. Yeah, I don't know. I can't really say much about it. It's a nice 5 minute there though. This spinning top. It's looking good. I will likely move my stop up again very, very soon. Probably to 194, just to shorten my loss a little bit. Okay, here we go. 1 minute coming in. Super strong candle. Are we going to break above? Let's see what we do. I'm currently in with 113 shares of Tesla. I target 1.2R on all trades. Above that, then I'm obviously, you know, profiting and expense sort of thing. So yeah, 198 is my target. Obviously we're near 200, so I'm looking for 200. I will likely not scale out until 198 or 199, sorry. So yeah, let's just see how this goes. We are looking good here. If you are new to the stream and wondering why I took this trade, let's just walk you through it. So basically, we've seen 2 rejections within the past day from this basically 197 level, which if we zoom out on the daily here, we see that it's the recent gap down. So yeah, we've got rejection here as well, and we've been rejecting it ever since. So yeah, that is obviously the one level to actually beat. We have, I mean, it's not a gap in day, as in we're still trading within yesterday's trading range. But the fact that we've seen a massive bull candle and also a massive bullish candle here, which I did enter on, with very high volume as well. That's probably the reason why I've took the trade. So yeah, just targeting this 197 for a breakout. I've entered before the breakout. I don't like entering trades on the breakout, so it's either before or on the retest. So obviously retest as in like this, and then I'd be the one to enter right here. Or just enter before. I don't know. It's just up to you. It's just how you trade, really. Backbred in this trade now. That's the only thing when you get chopped around. Because a lot of people would be entering long and be like, oh, it's not going the way I want. Just exit. Then that's why we're just like chopping around right now. Because people don't have the patience anymore. They just want to see one big move. I mean, I don't know. We're just consolidating. If we break, I don't know actually. If we break the red line on the 1, the 50 EMA, then I might exit. But yeah, my stop loss is at 1. Is here anyway, so I'm not even gonna lose a lot on this trade if we do actually fake out on me. The reason my stop loss is here as well is because in my head I'm thinking, if we travel back down here, I don't think we're gonna do this. I just don't. Instead, we're probably gonna see something like this. But I'm not gonna short today. It's just, I don't know. I don't really have the patience today. I'm just not feeling good about trading today, at least. Like, I might be just forcing this trade for the stream, but I don't know. It is a setup. I do like this trade a lot. Not gonna say that I would trade this trade if I wasn't streaming, but yeah, we'll just see how it goes. So far, we've got 2 consolidation candles. Next candle after this one, next 5 minute even, is likely going to be a huge candle. Don't know which way, but it's going to be a nice candle. Switch this to the 3 as well. I quite like the 3 minute, but I hate when it bloody freezes. It is not the best. Alright, rejection. Yeah, we're just rejection with this massive bear candle so far. But, yeah, I'm still long. Still just waiting. I'm not going to lose that much from this because I've tightened my stop loss so much. I haven't updated the stop loss on the Discord because obviously you guys do you. But yeah, I'm only going to lose, what, like, just over 150. It's not a big deal. Yeah, here's my stop loss. Stop loss is gone. And that is me out of the trade. Let's hope this thing doesn't hit me, my stop, and then let's go. Because that would be very embarrassing. Yeah, I lost, or I didn't lose, but I hate using the word win or lose because it's so controversial to trade in. It's just not about that. But yeah, on this one, I took an L for $177. It's just, it is what it is. So 195 is my entry price. So add an execution. So 15.95. God, the chop is insane. It really is. Whatever way this one goes, it's going to be a big move. I tell you that. It's likely it's going to fade down in one of these 2 directions. I mean, obviously, that's such a bland statement, but yeah, it's either going to be like dun dun dun, maybe consolidate around here for a bit and then down, or it's going to be like, you know, I don't know, something like that, I reckon. It's just so choppy. Right, as stated, I'm going to be ending the stream here. Yeah, sorry that I couldn't do it longer. Obviously, not interested in trading today. I will stream tomorrow. Hopefully we see some gaps in the market and we can get some decent trades in. So yeah, hope you guys have a great trading session, and I'll see you in the next one.